Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. Today, I'm turning a simple flower pot into something completely unique for a client to give away to a customer of him. I'm working with the Siser Juliet, but you can do exactly the same with any vinyl cutter, even a vinyl cutting attachment on your Bambu Lab H2 printers. The process is identical. I start by cutting the vinyl to size and placing it on the cutting mat. But once it's loaded, the machine precisely cuts out each shape. And I'm using two colors here, so I repeat the same step for the second one. Next, I trim the design into stripes and place them on a light pad. This makes it much easier to align the layers perfectly on my transfer tape before applying them to the pot. The tricky part comes next. The pot isn't perfectly straight, it's a little wider at the top and narrower at the bottom, so I have to carefully align everything by eye. But as you can see, it works beautifully. With a little bit of patience and precision, the vinyl sticks perfectly, even on curved surfaces. Projects like this are great for personalizing your home or even small business ideas. So as you can see, the vinyl cutter is a very useful tool if you make things for a small business or even for decorating your home. So I hope you liked this video, and well, if so, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel, because then we grow and YouTube knows that this is a good video. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.